Here we have a wonderful example of the fantastic BMW R1200 GS Adventure. Now this is a 2015 TE model in the racing blue and white. Now this is a C-type reduction factory low model, so these are a very sought after model. It comes from the factory slightly lower, so it makes the bike much more accessible for everybody. Now, as this is the TE, this comes with a great spec. It's got the comfort, touring and dynamic packs added. So what that gives you is the dynamic electronic suspension. You've got the fantastic Gear Shift Assist Pro. It's got the LED light, so you get the lovely LED indicators on there. You get the daytime riding lights, and it's also got the additional spotlights as well. You get the onboard computer pro, so you've got much more that you can do with the display. It's obviously prepped for the nav, as you can see there, and even has the cover. You'd be surprised how many of those covers go missing. It's got the Rider Mode Pro, so that gives you the additional dynamic and enduro riding modes. You get the heated grips, and you get cruise control along with the center stand, the pannier rails. It's also got these lovely tank protectors fitted as well. The screen's fully adjustable, handguards up front. It's also got a front fender extender as well to help protect that front of the engine. It's got 2 keys with it, so both keys are present along with the original owner's books, previous MOTs which verify the low miles, and prior to coming to us it has a fantastic 7 BMW dealer stamps in the book, so it has a really good comprehensive history. I've been right through it on arrival, so as you can see there, the oil is just new. You can see here how clean and prepped those front brakes are, and it will also leave with a 12 months MOT, so in that respect it's wanting for nothing. You can see this really is a well looked after bike. See here the rear shaft, the usual telltale signs, all in good order with this bike. See the rear of the shock there, and there's your fantastic module for the Gear Shift Assist Pro. Everything's really good, even all the ends of the handguards aren't all scuffed and bladdered like they normally get. You can see same with the front wheel, look how nice those spokes are, and the hub and those discs. Front of the engine, all good. So you can see there's your ride modes, heated grips, and there's your button for the spotlight. There's your dynamic ESA, daytime riding lights, cruise control, and then your trips for the onboard computer. And as you can see, 16,700 miles. So nice low miles. Really is a lovely example. Part exchange is welcome. We offer finance deals along with nationwide delivery. If you require any more information at all, then please feel free to get in touch.